And we're back! Don't ask, I just literally have a camera. You will see all these videos for yourself one day. I hear whispering. Is that the dead people telling me to kill all the humanity race? Just a little giggle I did, like, I heard growling. Don't tell me, he's right behind me. Okay, good. Ooh, baby. You don't. Yeah, you can just walk through it. I don't know why that's a thing. I hear it too.
There it is.
It looks like Mr. Krabs' hand. Oh wait, no, it looks like a gecko's hand. That's not a polite thing to do to me, sir. Flipping me off. That statue right over there. Trying to have some fun here too. Okay, fun conversation, in fact, so I can get my mind off of impending doom. I actually took a quiz. Actually, no. I'm gonna start it off like this. Do you know what Undertale is? Okay, so I took a quiz, right? And it was like, which Undertale character are you? And you want to know what I got? Apparently I'm Sans. There was the white man over, not even white man, the monster. The monster. He was right there! I was out of breath so I couldn't scream!
Help me, the white man
I'm dying of laughter and I can't even scream because I'm out of breath. Oh, I'm so glad we didn't just do this on Nightmare because I'm pretty sure my oh, leave! I told you he just appears out of nowhere whenever it comes to me playing. In memory of Scootaloo, Twisted Villain, and Skywalker.
No, you didn't get it. In memory of... Scootaloo, random guy.
That's my account name. Nobody knows my OC name other than you. And I'm just and the replay will be in this video, of course. I kind of feel bad because if I just leave this video here, then this one is going to be short, and if I do another round, we'll have to make this a 3-part. Yeah, I did notice.
Yeah, he's magic.
Magic. Badoof! You've been dead for a few hours. I'm not even sure the viewers can hear you, but it would be a miracle if they did.
I died and I just came back to life. I bled out.
Witchcraft or simply fall? No, wait, no. Did you do it by either witchcraft or by Left 4 Dead?
Okay.
This is an important question because if you did it by Left 4 Dead, then who let you out of the closet/bathroom?
Left 4 Dead.
I don't even...
You mean to that closet? They just opened it up
like.
I walked out and I just took them out and do.
Oh my gosh, they're able to hear you. This is perfect. Yes! I might as well. I mean, if Fierce Knight, no offense. Trust me, I'll try to bring as much comedy. But hey, I have a joke for you. What is a secret agent's favorite car game?
What?
I Spy. But And alright, I'll see you around.
Don't switch get into the news. I have a which loves the news. He's like, let's get right into the news.
Yeah. Let's get... Alright lads, let's get right into the news.
Wait, still recording.
Yes, I'm still recording. I am still recording, lad. I am still recording. I'm still new with this camera, so I don't know how to pause it.
Okay, Twisted Villain says hi and have no mic.
Well, that's no problem. Welcome, Twisted Villain. You will be... Actually, you have been in a couple of our videos. You have been in, currently, I think, 3 videos.
You should tell him your YouTube channel.
If you want to go check out my channel, Twisted Villain, on YouTube, this is a really weird way of searching it up, but apparently this is the only way to find it. Search up Skywalker Adventures in Skyrim, and then you'll be able to find it. And he sent me a message. Yay! 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 Yeah, hang on. I gotta... Yeah, we're gonna do this a mystery box. Let's just go with this one.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna go through all the maps. Tell me when to stop.
Diddle-doo, diddle-diddle, diddle-doo, diddle-doo. Pick your poison now.
But tell me when to start.
Now is... I told you now when do you do it? Hey, Twisted Villain's a YouTuber as well!
Oh.
Yeah! Now we have 2 YouTubers. Actually, no wait, this is a lobby of YouTubers. Lily, weren't you one at some point?
No.
Ow. I derped then. Alright. Let us engage in what horrifying horrors are there to be.
There is Donald Trump.
Anyway, sorry about that. I have something in my throat, I think. It's been in my throat all day.
He looks like Johnny Bravo.
Johnny Bravo here! I've never seen that show, to be honest. I've never seen Johnny Bravo.
I have.
What is he like?
He lives with his mom.
Ah. Lily, look! I found one already!
Before I
Oh! I'm not gonna lie. He does kind of look like he'd... To be honest, I kind of wish I lived in Britain, and everyone's asking me like, why would you want to live there? It's rainy! And I'm like, are you kidding me? That's why I want to live there. I see him off in the distance. He's being a Slenderman. He's being a... Inaudible sounds. Inaudible sounds. Twisted Villain, please lead us on this wondrous adventure. Lily, do not look behind you. Lily, just stick with us. Run. Just keep following us, and everything will be not. Lily, no! Lily, you just died. Oh no, no. Why? Why does this have to be a thing? Oh, I see it. Why is it in the saw blade? Lack of silence. This sounds of silence is never a good thing to do. Twisted Villain, where are we going? You're leading this operation, man. Nope, not anymore. He was just right behind you. Twisted Villain, he is right behind you. Do not turn around. He is right behind us. Run. He's hightailing us. Oh, Twisted Evil, where did he go? Okay, you're right there. Do not look behind. Whatever you do, do not look back. Yeah, this is absolutely terrifying. Oh, and I'm afraid I may have to cancel my Skyrim series now, because you want to know why? I don't want to. Oh, it's you. I'm sad, but I have to cancel my Skyrim series because the save files and it's corrupted. Wait, there's a gallows. That means this place used to be a pirate's cove, or the opposite of that.
The radio's head.
Off with the radio's head. That's the only way we can stop this. I will kill myself. Yoink. I doomed us all. No regrets.
Did you just close the door?
There is no door. Dude, if that's the case, there is no door to close. Unless he's talking about the cabin.
There's the owl again. I can hear it.
He's Houdini, okay? But
There he goes again.
hey, I am right today in this map. But
There he goes again.
no, dang it! One, my mic keeps unplugging itself. And two, I heard him growl. Oobe doobade! Lily, I am Skidaloo. I'm Lily Skidaloo. Don't. Lily, you're leading me right into death. I hope you know that. Okay, we're almost at 13 minutes in the video. We're almost at 13 minutes. I was just heading this way because I would rather hug the wall than meet that guy face to face and die.
You can't get over that wall because that's the big wall.
That's the big wall of China.
There's Donald Trump.
Oh, he's over there. He's over. Oh, he's about to jump the. He's about to jump the border. He's gonna jump the border. He's gonna jump the border with his bald head. Oh dear Lord.
Jump the border.
He teleported over the border.
We'll see if he jumped on top of it and he teleported on top of it.
I would die of laughter.
Died. He just died.
Who? No. Oh my dear good baby. Guys, I'm about to do something extremely stupid and I regret nothing. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Oh, holy! I'm so tempted to kill myself now because that's a good high note to end on. Oh, it didn't matter in the end. Anyways, I think that's where I'm going to stop recording for today. I have a lot of videos to edit either way. Thank you, Lily and Twisted Villain, for being in my videos today. And yeah, guys, if you like this commentary, please slap that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!